Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. On this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix thumb stick drift. So you might be playing something like Warzone or Fortnite and your character is moving around, is moving to the left, is moving to the right without you touching the thumbstick, or is just looking up into the sky and you don't know what the hell is going on. This is a quick fix to fix thumb stick drift on your PS4 controller. So over the months and years, dust will gradually build up inside the thumbstick, and all you have to do, and I know we were in this current situation, make sure you sanitize your controller before you do anything. So just literally clean the thumbsticks, and all you've got to do is push the buttons in both of them, both the thumbsticks, just clicking them, moving them all around. Do that for, I don't know, about 30 seconds. I've seen some videos, people saying to do it 10, 15 times. It doesn't make a difference. All you're doing is breaking up the dust and dirt in the thumbsticks. And then the last bit that's going to cure thumbstick drift is actually blow into the thumbsticks. Like I said, make sure they're clean. Blow as hard as you can into each thumbstick. Then give it another wiggle. Press them in all the time. Look, I'm moving them around, breaking up that dirt inside. The dirt is going to be pushed inside the controller. It's not too big of a deal. It's not going to do any harm. Then give it another blow. Try not to blow as much saliva in there because it's not going to help your controller. There's no point in going out and buying a new $50, $60 controller when you can fix it just by using air and no tools. Remember, if you're new around here, leave the video a like, drop a comment in the comment box below, let me know if this cured thumbstick drift on your PS4 controller, and also subscribe, and I shall get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.